Hello friends, welcome to miasyummyworld, the easy recipes channel for PC buddies. Thank you for visiting, and if you're here the first time, please do subscribe this channel. Please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos posted on this channel. Only quick, easy and super tasty recipes are posted here, so I'm sure you will enjoy subscribing. Let's start the recipe. The video is presenting the recipe of a healthy detox hot drink, which is lemon and mint tea. This is perfect to enjoy anytime, especially after a heavy meal to ease digestion. Let's start by boiling water in a kettle or a pan. Now take a mug and add a tea bag in it. You can also add loose tea. If you're using loose tea leaves, then add a teaspoon of it. Add hot boiling water into the mug. And if you're using a pan, switch off the flame and add tea into it. Do not add tea when the flame is switched on. Let the tea bag immerse in this water for at least a minute. Add sugar to taste. It's always better to use brown sugar or unrefined sugar instead of plain granulated white sugar. Add sugar to taste. Also add juice of half a lemon or lime, preferably lime. Just the juice without any seed. Let the tea bag, the sugar and the lemon juice infuse in the water for at least a minute. Into the tea, add a pinch of mint leaves. I've taken very fresh and tender mint leaves. Mix everything together by giving it a stir with a teaspoon. You don't want this to be too dark or too intense, so remove the tea bag after just about a minute. You do not have to remove the mint leaf, let it be there. This tea can be enjoyed at any time, but if you're feeling bloated or uncomfortable after a meal or after a very heavy and caloric meal, just enjoy this warm tea. It's very comforting and you will get an instant happy result. You'll feel so much better. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have enjoyed this recipe, please remember to like and subscribe. See you very soon with yet another easy and happy recipe. Thank you for watching.